Hi there, my name's Peter with Seattle Tree Care, and look at this. The rains last night knocked down this huge big leaf maple tree, detached at the stump and crashed into the Japanese garden that's behind me. So we're here today to safely remove the wood and all the debris out off the property, and then we're going to see if we can have a wood salvage mill company come in and make the most of this beautiful log. Go. Yeah, all right. Table up.
As you're building it and you're cutting it out, it's going to be, it's amazing. It's going to be awesome.
That is going to be awesome.
Yeah. I love to be able to see the path of the rot, right? Rot is what kills so many trees, and it's unfortunate. But when you get a look at the history of this thing as a table.
Well, thank you so much for giving this tree a second life.
No, thank you for allowing me to give this tree a second life.
Sweet, what a great job. And in case you didn't get to meet Devin, Mark, and Chase, they were the A-team today.
Yeah.
Safely got those logs, brush, debris, all out of the backyard. Looks real good. Job went safely. Thank you guys.